Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to Talendtech Solution interview question series. What we are going to discuss today again is a very important interview question, that is tMap versus tJoin. So let's get started with this differences and we will try to understand that using our job as well. So the first difference here is, so we can create more than one output. Yes, it's possible in tMap you can have n number of outputs, but in tJoin you can only have two options, that is the main and the inner join reject. So let's just see that quickly in the job. So in the tMap, you can go here, like in this example, what I've done is I've taken the inner join, then I've taken the rejects by making this true to catch lookup inner join rejects, and then I have done a filter also, right? So all these three outputs I can get using tMap. But in tJoin, there are only two options. The first one is to get the main. Let me just quickly remove this and show you here. So if I just go and go to row, I will always have only two options. The first is the main that you are going to connect to your main output, and the second is going to be the inner join rejects that you can connect to your rejects. So that's difference number one. Second is you can write transformation using expression builder at each column level. Yes, that can be done in tMap. So if you go to tMap, you can write each and every expression here, right? And that can go along with the output. That is possible in tMap, but not in tJoin. In tJoin, you don't have any option to write any expression anywhere. So that won't work here. Third is in tMap, you can filter the data using filter expression. Here you cannot. Like if you see in this example, I have filtered my data using the filter option. So this can be done here, but that cannot be done in tJoin. It accepts more than one input. One is main and the rest are lookups. Yes, it can be done here. You can join actually three tables, four tables, five tables, as many you want. This can only allow you to join two tables. It won't allow you to join the third table. Okay, that's the problem here. Now, coming to tMap, expression in the column while providing the joining condition. Yes, while doing the joining condition as well, you can put an expression into the column that will help you to, let's say, trim the data or put some operations on top of that particular column. But here, that's not possible. You will have to get the exact match between the keys, then only it will allow. Here it will support multiple match models. You can get unique match, first match, all matches. Here it is by default unique match and you don't have any option to change. So here in tMap, you can go and change the match model. You have all the options here. But here in tJoin, you don't have any such option. It will already by default be unique match. Now here, the storage of the lookup data can be on disk. This does not give you any such feature. Here it will support various lookup flows, right? It can load multiple lookup flows in parallel also, right? This will just allow one lookup flow, right? You can have only one lookup table and one main table. Here you can have more than two, three, four, how many you want, that is allowed. Here, reloading of lookup data at each is possible. Here, it does not offer you that feature. So if you come to your tMap, you have a functionality that you can look up the model, right? You can reload at each row, you can reload using cache, right? You can do all of that. But here, it's always just load once. Then going on to the next feature. So tMap takes more space and time to load in the memory. Yes, that's true. tMap is a very heavy component. It can do multiple things, but tJoin is faster. tJoin takes less time because it just does only that dedicated task of doing the join. tMap allows to store data on file. Yes, here it does not give you any of such options. So that's basic differences between tMap and tJoin. That's it for today. Thank you guys.